In this video lesson, you will going to learn on how to solve logarithmic equations. Okay, number 1, we have log base 9 of 27 is equal to b. Okay, again, log base 9 of 27 is equal to b. So our 9 here is our base raised to the power of b is equal to 27. So therefore, we have 9 raised to b is equal to 27. Okay, it is now in the exponential equation. So here we're going to apply the rule in solving exponential equation. So the rule is you're going to express both sides with the same base. So our base to be used is 3 because 3 cubed is 9 or 3 squared is 9 and 3 cubed is 27. You cannot use 9 as a base because 9 squared is 81. Okay, so our base is 3. 3 squared is 9, then times b, so that is 2b equals 27 can be expressed as 3 cubed because 3 cubed is 27. Now, they have the same base, so cancel the base and then copy the exponents. So 2b is equal to 3 and then solve for b, you divide both sides by 2. Therefore, b is equal to 3 halves. Number 2, we have log base 3 of x squared minus 1 is equal to 1. So base 3 raised to 1 is equal to x squared minus 1. So 3 raised to the power of 1 equals x squared minus 1. 3 raised to 1 is 3 equals x squared minus 1. Isolate the variables from the numbers. So we're going to transfer negative 1 on the left side. So therefore, 3 plus 1 equals x squared. 3 plus 1 is 4 equals x squared. Then solve for x. So to eliminate the squared symbol from x, we're going to take the square root on both sides. So square root of x squared. Then square root of 4. Square root of x squared is x. Then square root of 4 is positive and negative 2. Okay, we have two roots, the positive and the negative 2. Number 3, we have log base 4 of x or log base 4 of 4x equals 3. So 4 raised to the third power equals 4x. 4 raised to third power or raised to the third power is equal to 4x. Now, 4 cubed. 4 cubed means 4 times 4 times 4 equals 4x. 4 times 4 is equal to 16. And 16 times 4 is equal to 64. This is 64. Or 4 cubed is 64. Equals 4x. And then, divide both sides by 4 to solve for x. So, 64 divided by 4 is equal to 16. So, therefore, the value of x is equal to 16. Number 4, we have log of 100 equals n. Okay, if there's no base, actually there's a base. Okay, but if you cannot see the base here, that means it is a common logarithm. Common logarithm has the base of 10. The base of 10. So therefore 10 raised to n equals 100. 10 raised to n equals 100. Next, we're going to apply the rule in solving exponential equation. Express both sides with the same base. So our base must be 10 because 10 squared is 100. So 10 raised to n equals 10 squared. Cancel the base. Therefore, n is equal to 2. Number 5, log base 3 of x plus 5 is equal to 2. So 3 squared is equal to x plus 5. 3 squared is equal to x plus 5. So 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. Equals x plus 5. Isolate the numbers from the variable. So we have negative 5 plus 9 is equal to x. Negative 5 plus 9, so go to subtraction. 9 minus 5 is 4. The sign is positive because the greater number is positive. So therefore, x is 4. Okay, so in solving logarithmic equation, you're going to transform that into exponential equation and then apply the rule in solving exponential equation by expressing both sides with the same base.